Given the equation of the ellipse x squared over 25 plus y squared over 9 equals 1, find the vertices and the foci of the ellipse, determine the length of the major and minor axis, sketch the graph. First, observe that the number below x squared is 25 and the number below y squared is 9. 25 is greater than 9 and 25 is 5 squared. 9 is 3 squared. And so A has to be 5 and B has to be 3, where A is greater than B. Since the number below x squared is greater than the number below y squared, we see that the foci will be sitting on the horizontal axis. To find the foci, we will use the formula c squared equals a squared minus b squared, where a is 5 and b is 3. This is 25 minus 9, which is 16. So c equals plus or minus 4. The square root of 16 is plus or minus 4. The foci are therefore at negative 4, 0 and positive 4, 0. We also see that if we let y equals 0, then x squared over 25 equals 1, so x squared equals 25, so x equals plus or minus 5. These are the vertices. They are also the x-intercept. And so this is negative 5, 0 and positive 5, 0. Again, these are the vertices of the ellipse. If we let x equals 0, then we end up with y squared over 9 equals 1, so y squared equals 9, or y equals plus or minus 3. And these will be the co-vertices. They are negative and positive 3 at 0, negative 3 and 0, positive 3. We have the foci and the vertices. The vertices are again on the major axis, and so A, the foci f1 is negative 4, 0 and f2 4, 0. The vertices are negative 5, 0 and positive 5, 0. For part B, the length of the major axis is the distance between the two vertices. The distance from negative 5, 0 to 5, 0 is 5 minus negative 5, which is 10, and this is precisely 2a. The length of the minor axis is the distance between the two co-vertices, or simply 2b. And so for the minor axis, the length is 2 times 3, or 6. And so we have the length of the major axis from negative 5, 0 to positive 5, 0. And the length of the minor axis is from 0, 3 to 0, negative 3. Now that we have the vertices, in this case, they are the x-intercepts, and the co-vertices, in this case, they are the y-intercepts. We can sketch the ellipse that go through these x and y intercepts, and we end up with the graph of the ellipse.